It's Tuesday morning, January 27th in Westchester, and you're looking at West Minor Street. There's a light snow falling here in the 200 block about 8 o'clock in the morning. But as you can see, overnight, not much snow accumulation was recorded here, even though they were calling for a couple of inches to fall overnight. The county offices are opening at the same time as normal, and the streets, even though there was a snow emergency in Westchester called, seem pretty clear, and parking seems to be as normal. So not much of a snowstorm.